Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, November 13th. What do we got going on today? We just had core CPI month over month, which came in at 0.3%, which is a positive number. This means inflation is going up. It was as expected. So nothing to really worry about there. CPI month over month was also up. Means inflation is up, but it was as expected. CPI year over year was up to 2.6%, which was as expected, when last time it was 0.24. So we have rising inflation. And of course, the market said, yay, because it was as expected. This defies gravity here. Inflation going up is not good for anybody. It means the Fed is not going to lower rates. Means rates are going to be sticky, you're going to stay up. But the market seemed to like the idea, so who knows? What else is going on? We got a whole host of FOMC members speaking today, talking heads doing their rounds. And I'm not even going to name them due to the fact that there's 4 of them today. 2 p.m. we have the federal budget balance. Again, a low impact item because nobody cares about debt. Eventually, the piper will have to be paid, but not today. And that's it. That's all we've got for today news-wise. Okay, so looking at charts, we scrunched this up a little bit. You can see we had a down pullback day yesterday, and now today we are gapping up again. I can't even begin to say how ridiculous this is, but every time you make a comment like, hey, the market's stupid, or I can't believe we're this high, or this is ridiculous, guess what's going to happen? The market's going to go up, okay? Because it does that, okay? It doesn't make sense sometimes. And sometimes it takes a while for it to make sense when it does make sense. So even though I can't imagine us staying up at these levels under the current economic conditions and even the outlook for conditions, it makes no sense to me. That being said, it can continue to go up because nobody's going to listen to you or to me. The market does what the market does. Okay, so where are we at on inventory? Inventory was down yesterday on a down day, and it should be that way. It's correlated, all good. Where do we have support and resistance today? First of all, we have about a 35-point range, which is above average. Again, up in this general area, we are in nosebleed areas. Very little volume, very little to guesstimate. We've got some resistance between 36 and 40, a little zone there. 60, 50. I'm going to jump all the way up to 60, 80, maybe 6100, 6110. Support, decent support, right around 59.87. We get below that, there's a little zone here around 59.55, 59.40, 59.30. And then you get into some decent support down around the 5900 to 5910 area. So that's sort of where things are. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 57.1. 57.1 is slight positive bias for the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.